Single 18 Avatar. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
The whole thing's painted in a UV reactive paint, so I've got UV lights leads on the sides here. When it's darker, it really brings out some of the different swirls.
At nighttime? Awesome. Alright, yeah. Subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and hit the like button. Demo time in a minute. You out here?
Single Titan 8 on the slide electrical.
It's okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Yeah, my name is Mark Solar. We're Solar Tuned LLC. So essentially, this is our demo vehicle. It's running a single SBL 18 on our Crescendo BC 4K at half ohm. We've got a Crescendo S4 on Machete MM60 Neos. Single Titan 8, and then the light panel is just all inside there from the Solar Tuned controller. That's the little silver box down there.
Sweet. What'd you say the silver box was?
It's a Solar Tuned light controller, so it controls up to 4,000 LEDs. I've got a control on the two side panels there. They're spectrum analyzers, so they react to the music. So as I've got the music playing, it jumps. Wow.
Really? That's pretty cool.
Honestly, this box was originally thrown in here just because we had a P-stock box. It happened to be the right cubic footage and happened to be the right thing for that SBL, and it really opened that thing up. I used to have a Platinum 18 my previous setup, and there's a night and day difference between the two.
You can tell the difference? Yeah.
Those SBLs do love the lows.
Oh yeah.
Hey, if you want, I can give you
Let's do one more.
Give you a quick demo of the lights on the sides there.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Show me that, man. Unique. Let's see it. Go ahead and hit the like button for Mark. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out his light system he's got. Very unique. Wow.
Spectrum analyzer from it's got 48 different bands on it. So that goes from like your bass, your mids, and highs, a lot of vocals that come in here, and then you got
on the other side too?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Mark's system. He was at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. If you haven't already, comment what you think about his system, as well as give him a like. Really nice job for a single 18-inch sub. Really impressed with the output of it, and it was definitely a low-tuned box. It was definitely playing to the mid to low 20 hertz range really well on the song you're going to hear. This was the specs of this 18-inch sub, rated at 3,800 watts RMS on this powerful 4,000 watt amp. I'm not sure if it's at half ohm or 1 ohm. I'm just going to assume that he has it wired to 1 ohm from a dual 2 ohm voice coil sub. And if you notice the way he has the curved port, helps for airflow and less port noise, and having sub up, port back is usually optimal, and the amount of space he has also from the back of his hatch. I don't know if he's done any SPL testing. I know he said this was part of his daily driver system and his business. And I hope you all enjoyed that quick little view of his lighting system. It was pretty impressive. And the way he has the amplifier laid out, he's able to put his seats up. So during the show, he put them down. So that means this is a family vehicle too. You can have people ride in the back. So we're getting to the demo, Subwoofer Flex demo with low bass, got some good outside flex, and on top of the windshield you'll see as well. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this demo. Awesome. That's tuned low.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that what you wanted, was for it to be tuned low?
Honestly, this box was originally thrown here just because we had a B-stock box. It happened to be the right cubic footage and happened to be the right thing for that SVL, and it really opened that thing up. I used to have a Platinum 18, my previous setup, and there's a night and day difference between the two.
You can tell the difference? Yeah.
Those SVLs do love the lows.
Oh, yeah. What was your name, man?
Mark.
Mark. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Unique. Let's see it. Go ahead and hit the like button for Mark. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.